What's up guys, it's Jackington. I am back. I have been doing quite a lot of traveling lately, so apologies, I've not been posting as often, but I am also working on a travel tech and accessories video with some of my favorite things that I like to take with me. So yeah, get subscribed if you want to see that. But today, we're going to take a look at this. This is the M01 4-in-1 wireless charging station from AULUMU or AULUMU. I'm not quite sure on how to say it. If you've not seen this brand before, they've got this really cool styling going on with their designs, like here with this LED, and they've got like vents and ports on show if you like that aesthetic. They very kindly sent this over to me to check it out, but this is not a sponsored video. These are all of my own thoughts and opinions. So we'll get it unboxed, we'll take a look around, and I'll give you my first impressions. So I've got little info cards sitting here on top, and this is kind of cool. It just gives you a little overview of everything that the charger can do. And this is a folding charger, so you can use it lying down flat, or it also has a vertical charging mode as well. So inside we have the M01 itself, we have a charging cable, and it looks like a carry pouch too. That's nice. So this is a Type C charging cable, and I believe this is an 80 centimeter cable. And as you can see, it is braided as well, so that's gonna be nice and durable. It's gonna last you a long time. Then the carry pouch, this is if you wanna take the charger with you on the go. And we've got some of the AULUMU branding on here as well. And lastly, we have the charger itself. Oh, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. On the picture on the box, it makes it look like it's going to be this like big bulky charger that's going to take up your whole desk. But I mean, this is pretty compact. It is pretty slimline and yeah, definitely something that you could take on the go. But just to note, there was no charger in the box, so you are going to have to supply your own. So this is it folded down flat, and we will give it a quick measure. So it is about 17 by 8.5 wide, including the hinge, and it is just super thin. It is 1.1 centimeters tall. And we'll give it a weight. It is 265 grams. So I do really like this design. It's quite different to a lot of the sort of, the plain sort of slab-like chargers that you see that go for that, super minimal look. I mean, to me, it looks like almost like a mini DJ deck. I feel like I should bust out some tunes. It's got all these little details, like on the sides, we've got these vent holes, and then on the back, we've got the same with these like diagonal ones as well. And we have these padded little strips as well, so it's going to be nice and stable on the desk. It's not going to be sliding around. They're definitely not going for that super clean look. You can see the screws in the corners, and I think it really works for this style of design. I really like it. Here it is from the side, just so you can see how thin it is. I mean, if I put my iPhone next to it, I mean, it's not that far off. If you include that camera bump, this is a really slimline charger. And it is also a 4-in-1, so we can charge up to 4 devices all at once. That's an iPhone, AirPods, an Apple Watch, and up top we have 2 USB-C ports. We've got one input port and then one output port for a fourth thing that you want to plug in and charge wired. It comes with an 80 centimeter cable, but you will need to use your own power adapter, and AULUMU recommends using a minimum of a 35 watt charger to get the fastest charging from all 4 outputs when they're used together. So let's plug it in, making sure that we use the input port. You can use it just laying down flat, and of course we do get the fancy MagSafe charging animation, and you can pop on your Apple Watch and your AirPods and charge them all together, or you can fold it out. We've got this metal arm here, which is, I believe, made from aluminium, so it's going to be nice and strong, but not too heavy. And that's going to give you a 78-degree angle on the height. And then the actual charging part, that is even more adjustable. We have a 148-degree rotation of movement there, so you can, put it pretty much wherever you want. You can even have it facing the other way. So you can put your AirPods down here on the bottom, your Apple Watch, and the iPhone as well in stand mode, and charge all 3 at the same time. And you can also put the iPhone in landscape, and then it will automatically go into standby mode. So now you can have these big widgets on your iPhone and use it almost kind of like a smart hub. You can customize these and swipe through them and have them set up however you like. And that's one of the benefits of a stand charger like this, is you can only use standby mode when the iPhone is sort of popped up at an angle, so it won't work on those flat chargers. So you can charge all of your everyday essentials, your iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch, but there is also that C port on the back for one more thing. So you can also use this to cable charge a smaller accessory at the same time. And I guess if you take the Apple Watch off, you can adjust it back down, and yeah, you can lay it down back flat and then put your Apple Watch on and move between standing and flat mode whenever you need. And you might have noticed as well, underneath the Apple Watch, There is also this LED that's been flashing away. So I'm guessing this is just to tell us that the charger is receiving power, it is being powered. I mean, I've taken everything off. It is now just sort of like glowing a very faint blue. So I guess when you pop something on, it changes to orange. And it does also have a switch, so if you don't like it, you can just turn it off. That's a nice little touch, and when you're finished, you can pack it away, slip it into the sleeve with the cable as well. And I mean, this is a pretty slim little charger, so you could, take this on the go, use it between the home and the office if you are looking for a charger to take with you. So let's talk about some of the output rates. So the big pad supports the Qi 2 spec. That means it powers any MagSafe iPhone up to 15 watts. And that should get an iPhone 15 or 16 to 50% in around 30 to 40 minutes. Then we have 5-watt wireless charging for any Apple Watch and 5-watt charging for any AirPods that have a wireless charge case. And then an additional 10 watts output from the C port. That is not going to be the fastest charging, so you want to save that for like your smaller tech, or maybe something that you're not that bothered about charging quickly. Maybe you just want to charge an extra phone overnight, or a power bank, or an action cam or something. So we have been looking at quite a lot of these sort of 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 chargers in this case on the channel lately. So let's just do a quick comparison with some others that we've looked at. So this is the Belkin BoostCharge Pro. This is a 3-in-1. You can see there's quite a hefty size difference. The Belkin is more of like a squarer shape. That does mean it has a much bigger footprint than the AULUMU. And then this is a 3-in-1 Anker charger, and again you can see just how much smaller the AULUMU is. So if you're looking for something to save space, then this is going to be the one you want to go with. And it's also the thinnest. The Belkin is 1.2 centimeters thin, the Anker 1.53, and the AULUMU 1.1. It's really hard to hold them all at the same time, but hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea. Then with the Belkin, we have this big charging pad that folds up for the iPhone, and an Apple Watch puck that also folds up. So if you do have a watch strap that is like a solid loop that you can't open, that can still charge on there. Then on the Anker, this has more of like a smaller folding arm design for the iPhone, and again, a folding watch puck as well. The AULUMU folds to stand up quite a lot taller than any of the others, but it doesn't have a folding pad for the Apple Watch. And in stand mode like this, you can also see just how much smaller the overall footprint is. So if you are looking for something to save some space, then the AULUMU is the one to get. If you've got a watch strap that you can't open, then you'll probably want to go with either the Anker or the Belkin. And then charging wise, all three support Qi 2 with 15-watt wireless charging for the iPhone. You can charge your AirPods on them, your Apple Watch, but with the AULUMU, you also have that USB-C port on the back with an extra output of up to 10 watts. So yeah, I think this one might be my new favorite charger. And I've got separate videos on both the Belkin and Anker charger, so if you want to see more of those, I'll link to those in the description. So that is the MO1 4-in-1 wireless charging station from AULUMU. Or is it AULUMU? I still don't know, so if you know, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think. It is definitely more of a stylized charger compared to some of the other things that we've looked at recently on the channel. It does only come in black, so if you are watching AULUMU, I would really like to see a white version. But yeah, I do really like the styling of it. I do think it has a really nice look. Price-wise, it comes in at £100 in the UK or $109 in the US, and I will link to it down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, that really helps me out. I have got some travel tech and accessories to show you very soon, and that's going to feature a couple more accessories from AULUMU. So if you like this styling, this look, then definitely get subscribed to see that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.